Betty Butter brought a bet butter. The butter Betty Butter brought was a bit bitter and made her butter bitter. But a bet of bitter butter makes bitter butter. So Betty Butter brought a bit of bitter butter, making Betty Butter's bitter butter better. There was a fisherman named Fisher who fished for some fish in Fisher. Till a fish with green pulled the fisherman in. Now they fishing the fisher for fishers. Through 3 cheese trees, 3 free fleas flew. While these fleas flew, Frizzy Breeze blew. Frizzy Breeze made these 3 trees freeze. Frizzy trees made these 3 cheese freeze. That's what made these 3 free fleas sneeze. Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread. Spread it thick, say it quick. Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread. Spread it thicker, say it quicker. Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread. Don't eat with your mouth full.